بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
وَالنَّازِعَاتِ غَرْقًا.
By those angels that pluck out the soul from depths.
وَالنَّاشِطَاتِ نَشْطًا.
And gently take it away.
وَالسَّابِحَاتِ سَبْحًا.
And by those that speedily glide along the cosmos.
فَالسَّابِقَاتِ سَبْقًا.
And why with the others in carrying out their Lord's behests.
فَالْمُدَبِّرَاتِ أَمْرًا.
And then manage the affairs of the universe according to their Lord's commands.
يَوْمَ تَرْجُفُ الرَّاجِفَةُ.
The day when the quaking will cause a violent convulsion.
تَتْبَعُهَا الرَّادِفَةُ.
And will be followed by another quaking.
قُلُوبٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ وَاجِفَةٌ.
On that day, some hearts shall tremble with fright.
أَبْصَارُهَا خَاشِعَةٌ.
And their eyes shall be downcast with dread.
يَقُولُونَ أَإِنَّا لَمَرْدُودُونَ فِي الْحَافِرَةِ.
They say, shall we indeed be restored to life?
أَإِذَا كُنَّا عِظَامًا نَخِرَةً.
Even after we have been reduced to bones, hollow and rotten.
قَالُوا تِلْكَ إِذًا كَرَّةٌ خَاسِرَةٌ.
They say, that will then be a return with a great loss.
فَإِنَّمَا هِيَ زَجْرَةٌ وَاحِدَةٌ.
Surely they will need no more than a single stern blast.
فَإِذَا هُمْ بِالسَّاهِرَةِ.
And lo, they will all be in the open plain.
هَلْ أَتَاكَ حَدِيثُ مُوسَى.
Has Moses' story reached you?
إِذْ نَادَاهُ رَبُّهُ بِالْوَادِ الْمُقَدَّسِ طُوًى.
When his Lord called him in the sacred valley of Tuwa.
اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى.
And directed him, go to Pharaoh, he has rebelled.
فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى.
And say to him, are you willing to be purified?
وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى.
That I may direct you to your Lord, and then you hold him in awe.
فأراه الآية الكبرى.
Then Moses went to Pharaoh and showed him the great sign.
فكذب وعصى.
But he denied it as false and disobeyed.
ثم أدبر يسعى.
And then he turned back to have recourse to his craftiness.
فحشر فنادى.
And gathered his people and declared,
فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى.
I am the supreme Lord of you all.
فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى.
Thereupon Allah seized him for the chastisement of the world to come, as well as of the present.
إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى.
Surely there is a great lesson in it for whoever would fear Allah.
أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها
Is it harder to create you or the heaven? But Allah built it.
رفع سمكها فسواها
And raised its vault high and proportioned it.
وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها
And covered its night with darkness and brought forth from it its day.
والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها
And thereafter spread out the earth.
أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها
And brought out of it its water and its pasture.
والجبال أرساها
And firmly fixed in it mountains.
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
All this as provision for you and your cattle.
فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى
But when the great calamity will come about,
يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى
on the day when man will recall all his strivings,
وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى
and hell will be brought in sight for anyone to see.
فأما من طغى
Then he who transgressed
وآثر الحياة الدنيا
and preferred the life of this world,
فإن الجحيم هي المأوى
most surely his abode shall be hell.
وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى
But he who feared to stand before his Lord and restrained himself from evil desires,
فإن الجنة هي المأوى
most surely his abode shall be paradise.
يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها
They ask you about the hour, when will it be?
فيما أنت من ذكراها
What concern do you have to speak about that?
إلى ربك منتهاها
Its knowledge rests with your Lord.
إنما أنت منذر من يخشاها
You are only a warner to him who has a fear of it.
كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها
On the day they see it, they will feel as though they had stayed in the grave no more than one evening or one morning.